So this is the original tile that was on the roof. Over time, it kind of gets brittle. It doesn't serve a purpose as far as protecting the home, especially when hailstorms come through. They're easy to get broken. They're pretty thin. Now, this other stuff that we're going on with, let me throw this to the side. This is actually a synthetic type of material. It's class 4 hail rated with a 50-year warranty. And this is gonna serve a longevity purpose of protecting this roof for years to come. Another reason why homeowners should use this material is because it's self-healing, meaning if hail impacts this shingle, over time, the sun will heat it up and allow it to go back to its original form. Now, F-Wave stands so strongly by this that within the first 5 years of this being installed on the roof, if it doesn't go back, they will fix it for free. Also, one more cool fact about it, they are rated for 150-mile-an-hour winds, which is insane. It doesn't always happen, but if it did happen, you're gonna be in the best chance of having a protected roof throughout that kind of a storm. As time moves forward, we've got to be a little bit more modern and go with the best optimum protection for our home. So that's why we're going with the F-Wave.